Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at this particular pattern, what we can see that since 2020 there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, after making this particular low, you can see this is the range where the price of gold was moving, but after that, as soon as it break this particular zone after pandemic, there is a continuous upside. Okay, but it is trying to form a pattern, as you can see looking at this particular chart. This is the pattern where it tries to move upside, and the same pattern is created here. Okay, and a long pattern from 2012 to 2020 is there, which I have already explained in a monthly video. You can check that. Okay, now it is trying to form a U pattern is forming, and after testing this particular level, it is trying to go upside. Before we move ahead in gold, if you have any doubt regarding gold, silver or any other commodities, even stock and natural gas, anything, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart, a inverted hammer we can see. Okay, suppose if the price sustain of this level, chances are very high it can cross a level of around $1867, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1882. Keep this in mind, because what we can see, suppose if this level sustain, chances of sustaining is higher, and it can touch a level of around 1867, and if this level sustain, we can see it can cross a level of around 1877 to a level of $1882 after crossing a level of 1877. This is a weak resistance. So once it sustains above this particular level, we can see a level of $1895, and from there we can see it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around $1902 after crossing level of $1885. Keep this in mind. Once it started moving upside, then we can see it can cross a level of 1900, can touch a level of around 1912, and then further upside with the price if the price sustain. Okay, now you can see a good pattern is creating in gold. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see a level of $1847 again. If the, because this is the support, or if it goes below that particular level, then we can see a level of $1843, and if that level also didn't sustain, then the next support coming at around 1829. Before 1829, we can see a level of 1843 to a level of 1829, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see a level of 1812. Keep this in mind. 1829 is a support. We can see a bounce back can come, but if that level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 1812, and if that level also move further low, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1790. Okay, once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $1773, and from there we can see it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Keep this in mind. Once started breaking this particular zone and fall below a level of 1773, then chances of going further low is there, and next support we can see coming at around 1742, and then further low if the price fall below 1750, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, as you can see that few of the factor which has affected the price of gold, Fed was continuously increasing the rate, interest rate, and war situation was there, and recession fear was also there, which is affecting the price of gold and other commodities also. Okay, and understand why most of the traders lose money. Okay, because they don't know what to do. Okay, they try to make money double triple in the single day. Okay, so now what you can do, what I teach in my workshop, if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500, a risk of 0.5 to 1%. Okay, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now suppose if you lose all 5 trades, you can do maximum lose you will be $500. Now it will not affect your psychology. Okay, it will not affect your psychology. You will focus more on profit rather than recovering your loss. You will focus more on profit. What people do is they lose so much money, 5,000, 3,000, and in the process of recovering they lose their full capital. This is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.